Ebyona byagambwe rizo w'omuheezi wa Speaker w'ishengyero ry'eihanga Right Honorable Thomas Taibwa y'Abaana muri Eirwariro rya Mbarara Regional Referral Hospital okureeba ebirikwetengwa.
We had discussed with the President, in fact I wrote to the Minister for Health, we want to make Agacencwire Regional Referral Hospital so that we can reduce the numbers that do come here. But Mbarara should be a national referral center.
Omuheezi wa Speaker yaireko okukwatwa ahabwa embeera y'eirwariro erirumu eyagira ngu n'ey'okushwazana.
Really what I said in the last year is unacceptable. It's totally operating on the mobile line and all that, and we are lucky to us there. I don't know at night how we work. It's a disaster. I don't know. I think it's putting our people at more risk.
Ebyona byija obwanyuma y'orukora nka mukuru w'eirwariro Dr. Deus Twesigye kumwanjurira ngu aha biliyoni 10 ezirikwetengwa buri mwaka gavumenti neebahaho biliyoni 4 zonka.
This hospital every financial year is getting 4.12 billions, and when we break this one down you find that the private wing it is 1.4, pension fetches 1.95 billions. We have a gratuity of approximately 1.56 billions.
Dr. Deus yagaruka yahaye oburemeezi obw'eirwariro ryine obwishemereza ati niko omuheezi wa Speaker kukwatwaho akabaraganisa kubarondera biliyoni 3 omu gavumenti.
We want still to patch those challenges. We have limited infrastructure. That is very obvious. We are actually making most of the ward rounds and we are having wards under tents.
Budget at the center so that money is not diverted. We don't have these choices. Because I have some audit queries that came with your hospitals. I have some issues, but now I'm focusing on how best we can help. But the little money we give you, please ensure you utilize it.
So nienda kumusiima okutukura omusinga kandi yajya munazagaruka kutaho uburyo kureba ngo sente zo kuba yamba umukore mirimo ka biliyoni 3 atirisi zabasa kwija.
Omugani makora g'ebyamagara bwanyuma y'okubarukaho kw'ekirwire kya monkeypox omu ihanga obwatabe ekitongore ky'ebyamagara batandikire kuronda okubiine kwerinda oburwire obu. Oburwire bwa mpox bukabarukaho mu Uganda habiri 24 by'okwezi kwa mushanju omwaka ogw'omu district ya Kasese ah'eirwariro rya Bwera Hospital bwanyuma y'abantu babiri kuceberwa kandi bakashangwa n'oburwire obu.
Orwo rusheru obuntu bukuza mubiri nebushana n'engwara ezindi za butosha nk'amatojo go mu baana ninga amatojo gagakwata abantu bakuru ninga smallpox ati iwe tokuza kubasa kukimanya konka abashaho nibo barakwere kuza kukimanya.
Ndi ntunda kumanyisa habo oburwaire bwa mpox, ntunda abantu bamanye oburwaire buli batabuta oburwaire okubwerinda nuko abantu batarwara.
Ministry y'ebyamagara ekwatanise n'ekitongore kya USAID izobere babugana abanyamukuru ahabwo omugasho gw'abanyamakuru bino mu kujanjaza amakuru hamwe n'okwegyesa abantu ebikwatirine n'endwara ezi.
We have 0 deaths and we have 11 new cases and all from 10 districts. So this here, the new cases, it means that they are not yet cured.
Oburwire obu niburuga hakurya enyamiishwa nk'enkyende, embeba, okuteerana n'omuntu obwine, okukwataho ebintu ebiriho obukooko hamwe n'ebindi bingi.
Ekyakabiri ekikuru munonga twagira ngu tusagumizamu tukoragana n'abanyamakuru kandi beekoremu omurimo bateho akakiiko kaabo baronde omwebembezi w'abanyamakuru abo mu kyanga eki barondemu omuntu gwe tukweta focal person barondemu na coordinator waabo kugira ngo twatunga information eri kuruga omu marwariro eri kuruga omu ministry eri kuruga ereba ejeje komite yabo tugikozese kubahereza information eyikiri.
Ubwahati Uganda yaherize kutunga abarwire bari kuhika 24 kandi kuruga omwaka ogutandika abantu bari kuhika 2,000 nibo baherize kuceberwa kandi ahari aba abantu 50 nibo bashanjurwe n'oburwire obu kandi 6 baherize kufa okwetorora amahanga 22 agarimu oburwire obu. Aha bwa TV West the era achiza na Michael atwachire.
We are going to eat the food.